What's going on, guys? It's MudBlock here. Today I'm going to show you Minecraft noobs how to create your very own Kelp XP farm. And I know this will be an amazing achievement for you lot. So guys, in return, all I ask is for a like and subscribe. And guys, if you Minecraft noobs have any video suggestions, comment down below any suggestions you have. Guys, of course I'm joking, okay? Don't diss me and start roasting me in the comments. And guys, I know you have another panic right now that I'm using quartz. But guys, don't panic, okay? I've got you covered. You don't have to use quartz. You can use any blocks you want. You can even use a mud block if you're really that desperate and you don't have any blocks. But guys, let me first show you how this Kelp XP farm works, and then we'll get into today's build. So guys, as you can see here, this is what the Kelp XP farm looks like. Now let me quickly break these top two quartz and let me show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to build the kelp up to the two pistons, and as you can see, the kelp has been pushed. So the kelp has now been pushed into the smokers, and now over here it's going to be turned into dried kelp, and it'll go right down into the chest. And guys, as you can see here, I'm using the dried kelp block as the source instead of coal. So later on you won't be running out of coal, and you don't need to panic about that. Now guys, let's move on to the build. Before we get into the build, let me first show you what you will need. And guys, another quick disclaimer, you don't need to use quartz, you can use any blocks you want. So guys, first of all, you'll need 25 blocks of quartz, 10 quartz stairs, 6 glass panes, 2 pistons, 2 observers, 4 hoppers, 2 smokers, 2 chests, 2 redstone dusts, 6 water buckets, coal, and some kelp. And guys, you may be wondering, why do I need to use coal? He just said you can use dried kelp blocks. Yes, you will be using dried kelp blocks, but that'll be later on. For the first, like, a week or so, until you've got enough to make kelp blocks, then you can use the kelp blocks. But for now, you'll need some coal. Let me put this into my inventory, and now let's get into the build. You're going to first build 4 along. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the 4th block, you're going to build 3 along. 1, 2, 3. And from the 3rd along, you're going to build another 3 along over here. So 1, 2, 3. So guys, not starting from the 1st block. From the 2nd block, you want to build 2 high. So 1, then 2. And guys, now you're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure to leave a gap of 4 over here, because you're going to put your 2 pistons here. Then over around here, you're going to put your 2 observers. Make sure the arrows are pointing to you, and then when you're on the other side, you can see the face. On top, you're going to use your 10 quartz stairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you come around to the back, behind the pistons, put 2 blocks. Then on top, put 2 redstone dust. Now let's come around and dig this 6th floor up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your 2 hoppers in the middle. So 1, 1, 2. Put your 2 quartz here, and make sure they're facing down and they're not touching any walls. So guys, now you're going to put 2 glass panes here and another 4 here. Guys, before we put any water or kelp in, we're going to first dig along 4 out. So where these 2 are, dig 4 along out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on the other side. And just dig down until you get to the hoppers. So guys, as you can see, here are the hoppers. And make sure they are facing down. That is crucial. So now you're going to put the 2 smokers here. Another 2 hoppers. See guys, you don't want this to happen. You just want it to be facing downwards. And you want to put your 2 chests here. Guys, you can make this bit more aesthetically pleasing. It's your choice, but this is just a build. It's entirely your choice. Now guys, let's put the water in over here and the kelp. So let me get my water buckets. Obviously I'm in creative, but you will need 6 water buckets. And guys, make sure you don't put the water over here. You're going to put it on the wall over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're going to want to get your kelp. Put 1, 2 here. And just before I forget, in your smokers, just split your coal. And then you can just build up your, well, if you have any spare kelp, you can build up your piston. And then just to top it off, put your 2 blocks of quartz. Oh, that was by accident. Did not mean that. Do not make the mistake I did. So if I just quickly build up once more to show you it works. Then as you can see now, it's gone into the smoker. It's going to be, and it's going to go directly down into the chest, as you can see now. Guys, look how quick and easy this build was, especially for you Minecraft noobs out there who haven't really adventured the map yet. Of course guys, I'm joking, but any Minecraft noobs out there who need my help, comment down below any video suggestions and I'll make sure to reply in 24 hours. But guys, before we end today's video, please leave a like and comment down below and make sure to subscribe. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you lot in the next video.